morning students. In this video, today you are going to learn about articles in English grammar. Articles is the simple and easiest form in English. Articles are words that use before a noun and it modifies noun. There are three articles in English. Come on, let's see. These are the three types of articles in English grammar. It will categorize in two types. One is definite article and other one is indefinite article. In definite article, the word the will comes under from definite article. Use the word the before a word which stands for specific or unique. For example, the earth, the sun, the Taj Mahal. Here I write a sentence. I need dash toy from dash toy shop. Here in those two dashes we uses the, because you need a specific toy from a specific toy shop. That's we use I need the toy from the toy shop. The word a and an will comes under indefinite article. Basically there are 26 letters in alphabet. 21 are consonants and 5 was vowels. We use an for vowel sounds and a for consonant sound. We use an for vowel sound and a for consonant sound. I repeat, vowel sound and consonant sound, not the letter. For example, an ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an hour. Here the words like ant, enemy and ice creams are starts from vowels letter. But H is not a vowel letter, but yet we use an before the word because H is a silent in this word. So we use an. And this was the examples for a boy, a shoe, a toy, a 1 rupee note. Here 1 rupee, O is a vowel letter, but we use a. You know why? Because we pronounce the one, it's like one, VON, one. So this also a consonant sound. Thus we use before a in 1 rupee note. Okay.